Hello, beauty enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the enchanting world of eye makeup. Your eyes are the windows to your soul, and with the right techniques, you can make them truly captivating. Whether you're aiming for a subtle daytime look or a dramatic evening statement, understanding the fundamentals is key. We're going to walk through 3 essential steps that will transform your eye makeup routine, helping you achieve stunning results every time. Get ready to unlock your eye's full potential and express your unique style with confidence and flair. Let's get started. Our first crucial step is all about preparation. Prep and prime. Just like painting a masterpiece, you need a smooth canvas. Start by gently cleansing and moisturizing the delicate skin around your eyes. This ensures a hydrated base and helps makeup glide on seamlessly. Next, an eye primer is your secret weapon. Applying a thin layer creates a barrier, preventing creasing and making your eyeshadow colors appear more vibrant and last longer. Finally, don't forget to conceal any dark circles or discoloration. A light, brightening concealer will instantly make your eyes look more awake and refreshed, setting the perfect stage for your eye makeup masterpiece. This foundation is everything. Now that your canvas is prepped, let's dive into eyeshadow application. This is where the magic truly happens. First, choose your palette wisely. Consider your eye color, skin tone, and the occasion. For a classic look, start with a neutral base shade all over your lid. Then use a slightly darker shade in your crease to add depth and dimension. For a more dramatic effect, apply a shimmer or brighter color to the center of your lid. The most important tip here is blending. Use a fluffy brush to seamlessly blend all the shades together, eliminating any harsh lines. This creates a soft, professional finish that really elevates your look. Our final steps bring everything together: liner and mascara magic. These 2 elements are crucial for defining your eyes and adding that captivating finish. To define with eyeliner, choose a style that suits you: a subtle tight line for every day or a dramatic winged liner for special occasions. Practice makes perfect here. Next, grab your lash curler. Curling your lashes before mascara provides an instant lift and opens up your eyes, making them appear larger and more awake. Finally, apply mascara. Wiggle the wand from the base to the tips of your lashes to coat every strand, building volume and length. A second coat can add even more impact. These finishing touches truly make your eyes pop. And there you have it, 3 essential steps to mastering your eye makeup. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you experiment, the more confident you'll become with different techniques and products. Don't be afraid to try new colors, experiment with various styles, and discover what truly makes your eyes shine. Ultimately, eye makeup is a powerful tool for personal expression. It's about enhancing your natural beauty and feeling good in your own skin. So go forth, create, and let your eyes tell your unique story. You've got